Hello friend, this video I am going to show you how to hide your Telegram profile picture from others. You can follow this method, easily hide your profile picture from everyone. Let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, then open Telegram. After the app is open, make sure you can use the updated version of the app. After that, look at the bottom menu bar, find the settings option, click to open them. Once you are in settings, find the privacy and security option, tap on it. After that, scroll down slowly. Here you can find the profile photo option. Once you found them, click on this to open the next page. At the very top, who can see my profile photos? Right now this option selected everybody. This means everyone can see your profile picture. To hide your profile picture from everyone or other, don't worry. This time you can select nobody option. After you select nobody, simply confirm by tapping the checkmark icon at the very top. And you have successfully hide your Telegram profile picture from others. Thanks for watching. Take care.